guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Huli. If you're new here and if you're not, welcome. So for this week's video, I'm going to be doing a little vlog for you guys. Kind of just like a reset for July, even though it's like the second week of July. Because I feel like I haven't done that and I need to do that to just really get myself together as the summer has started. So that being said, my room is where I want to start, and I want to like organize my shelf, my closet, and my desk. And I will be doing that for this week's video with a special guest because I have a new roommate. So let me do a roommate review. So this is my new roommate. Her name is Cleo, and we've been staying together for the past couple of days while her dad is on vacation. So she is our dog. My boyfriend and I, this is our dog. And usually she stays with him, but she's been staying with me, so she will be helping me through this process. And as you can see, she loves me, so we're gonna get started on this vlog together. So I think I'm gonna go to the mall first to get some new hangers and stuff for my closet, and then slowly work and organize my desk. I know that I was literally supposed to post like letting my followers choose what I eat for a day, but that will be postponed because I've been working full-time for the first 2 weeks of summer, so literally all summer so far, so I haven't had the time to really go out and do that and spend the money for that. So yeah, but I think my roommate wants to join the video. So I don't know if I'm gonna bring her. I don't even know if she can go in the mall. I don't know if she can go in the mall unless she's like a service animal, but I don't know if I want to take her in. But maybe I'll make her stay here with like my sister or something. She can stay, and then I'll be back because I don't like leaving her. I feel like we're like so attached to each other that it's just like impossible to stay minutes or hours without each other. Like, she will literally stand outside the washroom while I shower and then wait for me to open the door. Like, even when I get up to go to the washroom, she actually went and peed on my rug in the washroom when I was peeing on the toilet. So we are just in sync. We're literally besties, and we kind of look alike too with our ears. But yeah. Alright guys, we're at the store and we're looking at the hangers, and I think I want to get pink or black, but whatever like has like obviously a value size. So there's one of like 30. The one that's 30 is like, oh, it's $19.99. The one that has a 30 pack is $19.99. Okay, so I think I'm gonna get these. This is the one instead of the pink ones because the pink ones are more expensive. So I think I'm gonna get these. Okay, so I'm getting this one, the color pink, and I'm gonna get 2 sets of this color to match the colors in my bedroom. Alright guys, so I'm back from Winners. Cleo is with me. She's on the floor right now in her blanket. But, oh yeah, this is what I'm drinking as well. And it's so good. Okay. But before I left to go to Winners, I tried to like organize my shelf by putting like my candles here, my floral like centerpiece with some books under, and then the rest of the books there with my camera on top, because I have like a lot of books. So I didn't want to keep them all there, so I put like 2 under here. That being said, I did show you guys what hangers I got at Winners, but I just want to give a more in-depth show because I bought 2 packs. So the first pack that I got was this set of 31, and this was like $19.99, so I think that's pretty good because I was looking at some on Amazon just because I wanted to like compare, and Amazon was like $30 for like 20 or 25, so I think this was a way better deal. And then so this is 30, and then I got a 25 pack of like the same color. They're the same brand, but they're just have different packaging. So I paid like $41 in total, 41-ish for both, including taxes. So that being said, I think I'm gonna start to organize my closet and just make sure I get that done today, because I want to prioritize getting that done so my whole room can just be done and the hangers match the color of my chair. So I did that on purpose. And I kind of have like pink. It's like the same soft pink in different spots in my room. And to be honest, I don't really like the color pink. But I like it in my room, if that makes sense. Like interior wise, I like it with white and a bit of black. I think it like pulls it together just because it's like a soft pink. But yeah, I wouldn't say my favorite color is pink. It's green, but I like pink for the interior, and I'd rather have it instead of green. I just feel like it's more like illuminating in the room, if that makes sense. Like the only green is right there, and that is the 100% truth. So let's get these open. And what inspired me, oh, it has like additional stuff here. My boyfriend has like a super nice closet, so I want to be like my boyfriend and get all the same color, like get same color hangers, because that's what he has, and mine are just like mixed matched right now. So yeah, so that's kind of why I did it. And then I also had like a Pinterest board of like stuff I wanted to buy, like saving my money for, and then this was one of them. I think it was just like a robe that I have, like a new towel robe for when I shower, hangers, and then it was a case for my vlogging camera, like a pink one or a white one, because I've seen like a bunch of like YouTubers have them. I just wanted for like aesthetic and just to protect my camera, because my camera is getting a bit damaged since my trip from Mexico. So Cleo is like cleaning herself, so I'm not gonna show her on camera, but I'm gonna get started on this to really dive into my July reset, because I really need it, because I've been so drained from work. So I think that this is just the perfect opportunity to do this on a Saturday afternoon. Oh, okay, so let's start. So I'm just gonna like jump in my closet, but my closet, I don't know, you can like semi-see. It's very mixed matched with the hangers. It's like not a vibe. So next time, like it's very mixed matched, and it's not cute. It's not appealing to look at when I want to grab clothes. So once I have all the same colors, I'll be more motivated to get dressed and start my day. So what I'm gonna do is, because she's on the floor, I'm like, oh, her blanket's on the floor, and I don't want to like put my clothes on the floor. So I think I'm just gonna have to do it one by one. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to do it one by one, honestly, because I feel like jumping it all on the floor is just gonna stress me out and like traumatize her. So I'm just gonna do it one by one, and I'll keep you guys updated. I'll do like half, like before, middle, and then when I'm done, just to actually show you the process. Okay, this is like before, so just take in how it looks. Very crusty, not cute, very unorganized looking, and they're all unleveled because they're all different hangers. So I'm gonna fix this and I'll get back to you when I am halfway done. Alright, so I'm halfway done my closet, and you know what, it looks way better, and I think this is really good for my mental well-being. So this is what it looks like right here, and it looks so freaking pretty and just so put together. I still have to like refold these clothes, so just don't mind that. I'm going out of my way and doing a closet clean out, so I'll be getting rid of clothes that I don't wear. But look, this just looks so nice, and I bet you the final product will look even better. And we're just watching Secret Life of Pets right now, because I obviously don't want to leave her downstairs. So yeah, so I will get back to you guys when I'm done. Okay guys, so I finished all the hangers. It took me like 40 minutes to do that. And I'm pretty happy with the results, honestly, so let me show you guys. But first off, these are all like the extra hangers. This one, I'm gonna keep this one, but like the rest of them are old hangers and like clothes that I don't wear anymore, so I took that out. So this is like what this end looks like. It's all leveled, and then I'm just putting all the extra ones here, and if you like look down, it's like aesthetically rowed together, aesthetically pleasing, and that's like all I wanted. So yeah, that was like pretty much what I wanted to do to my closet today. I'm like super hot right now, so I'm gonna put away all these clothes that I don't want in the bag and see like my siblings want them, or else I'm gonna donate them. And then I'm gonna go through all the clothes in my top row and then just get rid of the ones that I don't want. So I guess I'm gonna do that right now, or maybe I don't even know, maybe I'll do that now, I'm not sure. Okay, so I put away all the stuff. I have all the hangers in this bag, so I'm gonna give it to like my mom or something so they can see what they want. And now I'm actually just gonna refold the clothes that I have in my closet, because I'm just not gonna wait for another day since I'm like super tired throughout the week. So I might as well just get that done now that I'm doing this. So yeah. So I finished my closet like an hour later. I threw out all the hangers and all like the extra garbage from the packaging of the hangers and my shelf. I did organize it, but I did it like off camera just to save some time, and it wasn't really that interesting. And as for my desk, I do have like my lighting set up and like my tripod, but I'll still show you guys what it looks like. So disregarding my tripod, I just have my sunset lamp, my charger for my vlogging camera, my body stuff that I need to just grab in the morning without like a hassle, and then I have like my toothbrush, toothpaste, and then my makeup brushes are over there, and that's like just like a jewelry box. And my makeup brushes, I did wash them, so I also did not film that, but I did wash them, so I'm just gonna put that there to keep that like all in one section. And this is just like more like practical stuff, like my work name tag, and then like scissors, pens, all that stuff. And then this is just here because my laptop is on my bed. That's pretty much it. Another thing that I was gonna show you guys what I do typically for like a monthly reset is creating a Pinterest board. I feel like I've said this in like multiple videos, so if you're paying attention you would know, but if you're new then I'm gonna show you. So this is my Pinterest account. The autofocus like low-key sucks, but it's HuliRBZ like on my social media, and for each month I like to create a Pinterest board and add pins that are what I want my month to be like, just like the overall vibe, if that makes sense. So for July I made one. My last add to it was like 5 days ago, but it is just like centered on either like food, like outings, or like fruit, like stuff I want to eat for my health. I have like a lot of like smoothie bowls and like affirmations, did I say wardrobe pictures, and like self-care, because that's like what I want to focus on this month, along with like relationship stuff. So that's like what it looks like. I feel like this is like so beneficial for your mind, in the sense that you have like an idea of what you want to do and you're not so like lost during the month. So just like keep you on track of like the stuff you want to do. So I think that's like should be part of everyone's monthly reset. But that's what I'm gonna do probably for the rest of the night. I would do it like right now, but it's not an authentic Pinterest board creation if I'm recording myself, you know what I mean? So yeah, I just love Pinterest because it's just so fun and like not problematic for the most part, and it's just fun. And it's very like simple and just like aesthetic. This is like, Pinterest is like low-key like the most aesthetic app ever. And yeah, I don't know if this is like matcha or like a green juice, but I'm probably gonna add this to my month of July because I want to drink more matcha, because I took a break. I just have not, I have it like in my house, I just do not make it. Or like, oh, like this is like stuff you want to save for yourself, like a cute little kiwi and blueberry bowl. Monthly reset. Eat kiwi kiwi and blueberries in the month of July. Or like save an outfit pin. That is just like my advice to keep your month on track. And it's like exciting to do it every month because every month is different, even with the seasons too. So yeah, I definitely want to do a maintenance, like self-maintenance vlog too, but I have so many videos planned that it's like kind of just like getting pushed back. But I really want to do my letting my followers choose what I eat for a day. Like that has to be my next video, so I have to try super hard to get that done. And I feel like I'll be able to film it next Saturday because I'm doing stuff next Saturday that will probably allow me to do that. So yeah. I also need to buy like a new journal, but like I really kind of don't want to. I'm just like, I feel like, you know what, if I can like write it down in my notes, even though like on my phone, I feel like my 5-minute journal is not as practical for like thought writing down. It's more like for the prompts, because I really filled up all the extra pages at the back with like the notes. So I need to find one on like Winners or Kohl's or Indigo or something like that. But that will be a part of my August reset, and maybe like I feel like my back to school one will be better. I don't know, I feel like I'm just rambling right now. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my little vlogging sesh and closet clean out and reset all combined in one. I've just been a mess lately, so I hope that you guys tune in next week and I'll be a little bit more put together. And my roommate, my special guest, is literally sleeping while I'm rambling, so I'm not even gonna disturb her right now, but I might film her for you guys. But I'll see you guys next week.